What's up guys, it's me Geek. So the question is that Microsoft Access versus create your own database. I love Microsoft Access, but that was like 2004, 2005, not 2018. Would learning how to code Treehouse help me to create an app for a medical record? Basically, we need a platform which also can be used offline to store a large amount of medical record, each personalized to a particular patient. Uh, it would it would need to be quite simple, almost like an Excel. There's no reason you should there's no reason you should Microsoft Access. There's no reason you should even build your own database for such simple tasks. Just use the FileMaker Pro or use the brilliant brilliant database. Yeah, personally I'm a fan of FileMaker Pro. FileMaker Pro is a WYSIWYG application. You just enter the data. I mean, it's works similar to like creating your own database or Access. FileMaker Pro or the brilliant database. I have a tongue tie problem. Yeah, I mean, FileMaker Pro or Brilliant. Do not create your own database. Just use the FileMaker Pro or the Brilliant database. If you have any more questions, my email address is in the description box below. Subscribe and buy. Also, check out the links in the description box below. If you want to change your life, read the book called The Power of the Habit. Bye.